इशु श्रूयते वा? श्रूयते वा? इशु
आं श्रूयते महोदय।
यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराश्रश्रियै चामृताय च अथ नाट्यवर्गः सो एकनिमिषम्। Can you tell issue, Nish?
आं सर। निशादर्श भगान्धार षड्जमध्यमदैवताः पञ्चमश्चेत्यमी सप्ततन्त्री तन्त्रीकण्ठोत्थितास्वराः षड्जं मयूरो वदति गावस्वृषभभाषिणः अजाविकं तु गान्धारं क्रौञ्चः क्वणति मध्यमम् पुष्पसाधारणे काले पिकः कूजति पञ्चमं दैवतं हेषते वाजी निषादं बृहते गजः मयूरादय एते हि मत्ता गायन्ति पञ्चमं काकलीतुकले सूक्ष्मे ध्वनौ तु मधुरा स्फुटे कलो मन्द्रस्तु गम्भीरे तारोत्युच्चैस्त्रयस्त्रिषु
कलो मन्द्रस्तु गम्भीरे तारोत्। ओके, धन्यवादः। I will just my internet connection was not okay, so it has come back now. Issue continue. Can you कलो मन्द्रस्तु गम्भीरे तारोत्युच्चैस्त्रयस्त्रिषु नृणामुरसि मध्यस्थो द्वाविंशतिविधो ध्वनिः समन्द्रः कण्ठमध्यस्थः तारशिरसि गीयते समन्वितलयस्त्वेकतालो वीणा तु वल्लकी विपञ्ची सा तु तन्त्रीभिः सप्तभिः परिवादिनी। धन्यवादः। Issue, you are attending from the mobile or from the webcam? from the issue begin. You are attending from the mobile or from this system.
Sir, mobile.
Okay. You don't have a webcam that you can't switch on the webcam. Okay. Mobile means you can't, I think. Switch on. Okay, dhanyavadaha. Next, so I just thought I had one small thought. There are some of the students, I know them personally, so I meet them, etc. Some of them I want to see your faces. See, I have spent almost 100 classes. I have not seen most of the faces, who is who. So if you don't mind, I will be asking if you are able to share the webcam. In case you are able to share the webcam, I will make you the panelist, and then and you can recite and you can share the webcam. That is only if you can share and if you are willing to share. Just to see your faces. Some of them I know personally, but some of them I wish to see your faces. So I should have done this exercise before. Somehow I didn't do it. Apologies for that, but I think now at least I can do it. So I will start with Venkat Raghavan Mahodaya. Are you in a position to share your webcam, sir?
Yeah. How do I
I will.
signal is there. I don't know how to switch it on.
No. If you are able to do it, I will make you panelist. You can share.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So Venkat Raghavan, it will take some time, 2-3 classes. We'll just familiarize. It's okay. While we are reciting, we will also understand, see each other's face. We know who are our colleagues who are attending the class with us. Venkat Raghavan Mahodaya, now you can, I think, share your webcam. Namaskaram. Dhanyavada. So Venkat Raghavan Mahodaya is from, I think he's from Singapore, right?
Yes, sir. Namaskar.
Singapore is an ardent study. He studies Ramayana Bhagavatam daily. He does Parayanam of Ramayana Bhagavatam. By Guru's grace, he is continuing Sanskrit studies. Very, very interested in Amarakosha learning. So we will do the introduction further in further classes. Now, can you just read 3 lines, sir? So from that.
Samanvitalastvikatalo Veenatu Vallaki Vipanchi Satu Tantrebhis Saptabhis Parivadini Patam Veenadikam Vadyam Anadham Murajadikam Vamsadikam Tu Sushiram Kamsyataladikam Ghanam Chaturvidamidam Vadyam Vaditrato
Uttamam.
Just
you can read, sir.
No, I was going to look into my text because it could not scroll. Dhanyavada.
Okay. Dhanyavada, sir. So we met Venkat Raghavan Mahodaya. So we will meet some more people today. Though we are all meeting daily, but we want to make sure we know them. So I want to introduce Lasya Indrakanti. Lasya, are you able to share the webcam? If I make you the panelist, can you share?
Not right now, Mahodaya.
Not yet. Okay. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. So when you are ready, next time you tell me. Let me know. Okay. Panchanadan Swaminathan. Are you ready to share the webcam, sir?
Yes.
Venkat Raghavan Mahodaya, I will just stop your webcam. Mridanga.
Okay.
Panchanadan, sir.
Yeah,
can
I'm
share
here. How do I share it? Share the webcam. Okay. Now I can share.
Can you read these 2 lines? Mridanga Muraja Bheda.
I will do that. Mridanga Muraja Vedas Pankyalinjo Linchordakastraya Shadrisha Patako Takha Veri Sri Jundabi Kuman. Next one more line. I can't see the screen. Anaka Pataho Strishyat Prono Vinadibhadanam Vinadhanta Pravalashyat Kakubastu Kasevakaha Kolam Kakastu Kayosya Upanaho Vidibandhanam Vadya Pradeda Dhamaru Mattu Dhindi Mat Dantu Dhindi Mat Ajarjharaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. I will just stop your webcam. Pancharadam sir, you are in the US, sir.
Yeah, United States, suburbs of Philadelphia.
Can you tell a few lines about yourself, sir?
Myself, okay. First of all, originally I was born in Lalgudi. My parents are from Tanjavur, and I've been in US since longer than I lived in India. I have a PhD in structural biology and computer science, and kind of a retired person now. I'm 71 years, running to 72. I'm very passionate about Sanskrit, even though I learned it when I was like this Narayanan and all. I'm very excited when they, like a Google search, they recite, spit out those Amarapurvas. I used to study like this until the age of 10, then I concentrated on physics. So now I'm trying to catch up where I left. I also teach little children in the temple here. That really excites me. So what I'm learning from you, I'm putting it into practice. I could spend more time, but I think a little bit of laziness, I think I have to discipline myself. Otherwise, it is a very rewarding. It's a good pastime and also intellectually challenging. Instead of wasting time on, watching movies and things like this. So I'm very passionate about such because it is true, because our ancestors have done a lot of stuff which is kind of hidden there. So Vyamas, this one here, they're doing a great job, really fantastic job in doing so many sessions for free. I mean, some of these things you can't even get it, even if you want to pay. So these people are doing so. Hats off to kudos to Venkat ji and his brother, Vishwanathan ji and all this. Thank you very much for doing a great job. Thank you. Dhanyavada. I missed you. Did you hear what I said towards the end?
I missed you, sir. You were talking about PhD in computer science and structural biology. That is from there.
And I learned really Sanskrit very seriously until the age of 12. Actually, until my college. Hats off to, like your teacher, there was a teacher by name Rangaraj Iyengar. He taught me within a matter of 3 months how to become comfortable with Sanskrit. I learned it when I was in 5th grade. When I took all these exams, Chittur, Bharati Vidya Bhavan exams and all this. So then later on, I concentrated on, physics and math, and I kind of put it at the second year. Now I'm 71 years of age, trying to catch it up. And thanks to Yama for bringing this, because you are doing a fantastic job. Some of these things you can't even learn if you want to pay somebody. So this is a great service. Thank you very much for making it available.
Dhanyavada, sir. So we met Pancharadam sir, who is very active, who asks the right questions and keeps me active. He makes sure that we answer all the questions and.
And also, I teach kids learning. Whatever I learn, I try to teach them at the temple here. So that's the very thing I do for my past.
That is the most important thing, sir. You have to pass on the legacy to the next generation. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
you. Dhanyawad. So, we will ask if Kausalya Bhagini, are you there? Kausalya Bhagini, will you be able to share the webcam if I make you the panelist? Kausalya Bhagini?
Yes, sir. How do I do it?
Okay,
I've
one minute. I will help you. So you will get a request. Based on that, you can.
I'll prepare it tomorrow, sir. Open system preferences, that's what it says.
Now send webcam. I have sent the request. It should have come in your this one. Oh, it is not coming. Open system.
Oh, it's saying open system preferences.
Hmm.
System. 1 second, sir. Let me see. 1 second.
No problem.
No, sir, I'm not able to. I'll get it ready by tomorrow.
Okay, okay. Dhanyavadaha. But you can read the few sentences so that. So mardalapana vonyecha.
1 second. Mridanga.
Mridanga is over. Vadya mardalapana vo.
मर्दलप्पणवोऽन्ये च नर्तकी नासिके समे विलम्बितं द्रुतं मध्यं तत्त्वमोघो घनं क्रमात् तालकालक्रियामानं लयः साम्यमथा स्त्रियाम्.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. So I will ask. Pratibha Bhagini, will you be able to share the webcam?
Yes, Mahoday. I have a mobile phone. Yes.
Mobile phone madhye agachati va? There is a webcam option there. We'll just see. I will make you this one. No, it doesn't give me the option to ask you to this one, but you can recite. So we will recite few lines. Whenever it is possible, if you can join our system, you can let me know. So I will request for your webcam. So Tandavannatanannatyam. Can you unmute yourself, Bhagini?
ताण्डवन्नटनन्नाट्यं लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तनं तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम् भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषो नाट्योक्तौ गणिकाञ्जुका.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. This is just to know. So if people who can share their webcams, if you can raise your hands, it will be nice so that I can know if you are having a webcam and you can share. Then based on that, I will make you the panelist, because there only 10 people can be made panelist in a session. That is the limitation of this GoToWebinar. And after I make somebody panelist, I can't remove them. If I remove them, they will go out from the webinar. They have to again log in. So already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panelists there. Only 4 people we can have today. So I will ask Venkateshwaran Gopala. I will make you
Yes,
I will make you the panelist. Now can you share your webcam? Just see if you can share your webcam. We are able to see you, sir. But only thing is the position of your webcam you should just slightly change. We are not. It is actually gone up or gone down. Okay. Can you talk a few lines about yourself, sir? We are unable to hear your audio. You are self-muted. Please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Now I can hear you, sir.
Sir, I am Dr. G. Venkateshwaran. I did my MSc Chemistry from Laila College, Chennai, and then I worked in Baba Atomic Research Center of the Department of Atomic Energy, and there I did my PhD, and I retired as Head Analytical Chemistry Division. And my field of specialization is nuclear reactor water chemistry. So I have worked in many of the power plants and doing R&D at BRC, going to different power stations, understanding their problems, etc. My interest in Sanskrit is, see, I studied Hindi up to SSC, but I didn't have any knowledge of Sanskrit. Now only through Vyoma Lab, I have got the opportunity to do. Now I am retired, I have a lot of time. So I thought, I studied Veda when I was in Anushti Nagar through my guru, Veeramani Iyer, and one Ramasubramanya Sastrigal. So I have done a lot of suktas, Achidram, then this thing, Udagra Shanti, and like that, apart from Vishnu Sahasranamam and all that. So, but my proper grammatical Sanskrit I have not done. I know the script, I can read, but to construct a sentence, to speak in Sanskrit, etc., now only through Vyoma Lab, I am having the opportunity to learn. I am very much indebted to Vyoma Lab. I have told about this Vyoma Lab to other people, and to whatever extent, and whatever donation I can make, I am doing it. That's in brief.
Your blessings are important. Thank you very much for your blessings. We are very, very happy to see you, sir. You have been, you are the most enthusiastic person to recite. Every day your hand will be raised in both the classes. So I may not give you chance every day. If I don't give you a chance for 3 days, he will send one mail. You have not given me chance. So I'm very happy to receive such a mail from such a person. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
So we will just meet 2 more people. I understand we have done the revision today. So let us, this is very important that we should know whom all we are studying. So we will meet our sisters. I think Vaishnavi and Kalyani, you are having are you able to share? Are you in a mobile? Mobile means I think you can't share the webcam, right? Vaishnavi?
Sir, I'm on tab.
You are on a tab. So do you have a webcam in the tab?
I mean, there's front camera, sir.
Okay.
I don't know if it supports.
Okay. So let us try. 1 second. Let us try. Yeah, it is supporting because it is showing. So will you be able to switch on that? I have sent you a request. Just see if you can switch on that cam. Vaishnavi. I am sending you a webcam request. It is not coming, I think. Oh, very good. So you are Dhanyavadaha. Now you are where are you located, Vaishnavi? You have to unmute yourself to speak.
No. We stay in Tirupati, sir.
Near the Rashtriya Samskrita Vidyapita.
Near Alipiri, sir.
Alipiri, okay. So you are doing your Vyakarana Shastri.
Yes, sir.
Second year or
Second
first?
second year, if I write exams now, I'll be in third year, sir. But I don't think they are going to conduct exams
Okay.
now because of Corona.
Okay. So is your sister available nearby?
Yes, she's sir. One minute.
Namaste.
Okay. Namaste, namaste. Happy to see you both. You have been chanting and you are very well. So you have you keep this class very lively. So you chant Ashtadhyayi, Amarakosha, whatever we ask, you are chanting. Very happy to see you. So Kalyani, you are also doing Vyakarana.
In Prakshastri, I took Vyakarana.
Prakshastri Vyakarana. Okay. So Vaishnavi and Kalyani, the two sisters who chant Ashtadhyayi and Amarakosha for us whenever we ask them. So they are very devoted students, regular students. I have never, very rarely I've seen them missing a class. So and they are by hearting, they are learning, and after you learn, you have to teach others. That is my request.
Okay.
Dhanyavada.
Definitely.
Dhanyavada. Happy to meet you. We have another 4 more minutes. We'll try to meet one more person if possible. People who have raised the hand. Soumya Harish Kumar.
Can you help me with how to on the?
One second. I'll come back to you. I will first make you a panelist. Once I make you a panelist, now I will send a webcam request to you. You must have received the request. Dhanyavada. Okay. Soumya Bhagini, you can tell about yourself.
Ram. My name is Soumya, and I used to teach in PESIT Electronic City, but not anymore. If you have to know about the educational qualifications, I have a mechanical engineer and a computer engineering degree. And after that, I just got interested in knowing the scriptures, and ever since then, I have been taking some courses from Chinmaya Mission and doing that for the last 4 years.
Okay, very good. Happy to meet you. Happy to see your face. I should have done this before, and I should have this one. Then I realized I don't know most of them by face. I know them by name, I know them by voice, but I don't know them by face. So it is.
We have actually met. We have met. If you know Soumya Nagaraj.
Yeah, I think we have met. You are her sister-in-law. Okay.
Yes.
When you told the PESIT, I know I think we have met. Okay. So, but your name also was Soumya. I didn't. I forgot that. So now I understood. So I know you fully. So her co-sister actually works in Vyoma Labs. Is working and she is on a break. So Dhanyavada. So I will just. I think it's time up for the next class. So today we will stop here. We will continue. We will do some revision, and at least in next 2 or 3 days, whoever is able to share the webcam, I thought I should know them by face. Thank you very much. Now at least see for us, Soumya Harish Kumar, I have gone to her house. I have seen her. I have got introduced to her, but I didn't know she is the Soumya Harish Kumar who is attending my Amarakosha class. So that was my problem. So it is again. Thank you very much, Soumya ji, for reminding me that this one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyavada. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu I will request all of you, don't miss the class saying that we have this one. It is nice to meet our other people who are attending this class and to know about them. So don't think that this is a waste of time and don't miss the class. We want everybody to attend the class and know about the greatness of all the people who are attending this class. Any doubts? Somebody is asking
Sir.
something.
Actually, I'm a new student. Actually, I done today only, sir. What should I do?
Sarveshara.
Yes, sir.
Sarveshar. Okay, I think I've seen you many times in the class through this login.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so you start attending the class. There are some video recordings which are there in the course page, sanskritfromhome.in. You just go to that website, log in to the page where there is Amarakosha, and from there you go through the first class and understand what it is about, and then you can ask questions to the mail in the course page.
Okay, sir.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavadaha.